woke up, I got out of bed, went to pee, washed my face, wore my contact lenses. I should get out of bed now because it's like 9:15 a.m. and I have to head to Andheri to pick up a couple of things. And I just have this weird nagging feeling. It's not a gut feeling. I just have this nagging feeling कि मैं जो काम के लिए निकल रही हूँ वो काम नहीं हो पाएगा. मुझे इरिटेशन होगा फिर. बहुत इरिटेशन होगा यार फिर उठ के. Imagine me. I used to wake up at like 6 a.m. मुझे 9 बजे उठने में तकलीफ हो रही है आजकल. यानी मैं 9:30-10 बजे उठ रही हूँ आजकल. एंड मुझे अंधेरी ड्राइव करना है जिसमें मुझे जेन्युइनली तकलीफ है बिकॉज मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं जानना है. मुझे घर पे रहना है. इट्स वे ऑल इन लॉकडाउन बट ऑब्वियसली फॉर मी माई वर्क थिंग्स आर एन एसेंशियल थिंग टू मी. सो आई हैव टू गो पिक अप सम कैमरा इक्विपमेंट. आई विल अपडेट यू गाइस ऑन द वे और समथिंग. रियली नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ बेड. Okay, I'm in the car and I don't want to be vlogging while I'm driving. I haven't started driving yet. I have started the car and I have put on the AC because man, it is so hot. Look at my hair. I wore a choti and slept off last night, so my hair is like all over the place this morning. So basically, you guys, I told you that I want to upgrade my vlog camera. I sold my previous one and I have identified the new vlog cam, but big fat but the tripod that goes with it, which is this really new tech one that I want, which I will show you because I'm on my way. I'm going to be on my way to go to Andheri, which is about half an hour 40 minutes away usually, but considering there should be no traffic because of lockdown, maybe I'll be there in 20 minutes. I don't know because I haven't been driving lately and I've lost all sense of how much time it takes to get anywhere these days. But on my way there, want to see this really cool new gadgety tripod that I have like my eyes on. Today, by some coincidence, the guy I'm going to in Andheri is opening his shop for 1 hour because of some bank work. So I'm kind of like running in, picking it up because it's an essential thing for me, right? I don't have a camera right now. I'm vlogging from my phone and I've been watching so many. I'll tell you about that later. Let me start driving now. Legit so nervous about walking into a shop. I'm double masking because I'm just so worried all the time. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, back in the car. I have the tripod that I wanted over here, which I'm very excited for. Gotta drive and get back home and figure out the camera switch and update you about what happened here. Okay, I am back home and I have the tripod here, but before I unbox this on camera, here's the tea. So I had selected a particular vlog cam. Now to give you a little bit of context, obviously you guys, I know I'm always so happy to see the way you guys enjoy my vlogs. Vlogs is something that I enjoy doing for you guys also so much. Even though my heart is in beauty content, I realize that I really love sharing my actual authentic raw unfiltered life with you through my vlogs. Last couple of weeks with everything going on social media in India and just with the COVID situation, I've been watching a lot of vlogs to try and like just kind of stimulate my creative juices, which has definitely been a little bit of an issue. And I realized that I suddenly have this surge of ideas and my new vlog cam purchase was on the way anyway. So I decided that I would buy this new camera, which should be arriving in the next couple of hours from town to me, and I'm gonna unbox this right away so you can prepare to watch a whole lot of new vlogs. But the guy I bought this from was giving me the camera for a lot more expensive price, but he had the camera on display and I kind of wanted to lift it and see the weight and size and all once before I actually paid for it from my usual guy in South Bombay who didn't have any display pieces. Is this really complicated or are you following? Was buying from town was cheaper from where I was buying it in town, but this guy in Andheri had it on display. So he very sweetly said that when you come in to see the tripod, you can check out the camera also because I do have a piece over there. Yeah, so I have bought this and I have ordered for the camera and it's getting picked up from VFast from my vendor in South Bombay, and that's where we are. I'm really excited because I'm buying a new camera after a while, and this one is supposed to be really good. Comes highly recommended from a bunch of YouTubers that I follow and YouTuber friends of mine as well here in India. and you can now expect a lot of videos. But I haven't had anything since I woke up, and not even like water. I just had water, but like I need some food in my system right now because I can feel myself slowly dimming down. So I am going to go ahead and eat something. I told you 20 minutes ago I'm sitting to eat, and I didn't because the pickup was happening from town and I had to clear the invoice for the camera and all of that stuff was going on. Basically, bas coordination chal raha tha. And then I was talking to Jerry. He's gone in for a shower now finally. Now I'm sitting to eat, and for a change, I'm not having poha. I'm having anda sandwich, which is basically cheese omelette inside it, and I also have half a cup of tea. I am trying to cut off my tea. It's a come and go situation. As of right now, I'm having like half a cup of tea in the mornings, and then I switch to green tea later in the day. Now I'm sitting to eat because I'm hungry. The second I sat to eat and have some chai, I got a message from my manager Payal, and she reminded me that I had a call scheduled with a client. So since my video was off, I basically was multitasking between eating and working.
Joey, may the force be with you.
May the force be with you.
Recording? Yeah. You hit the record button. Okay, so it took me a lot of time and control and discipline, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, to not open this all this time. It's been with me for a while, but I wanted to hold on because I wanted everything to be here. I'm opening this first because I bought it first. So what I have over here is this new fancy-ish Canon tripod that basically it's a small little one for the vlog cam. It looks like this, and inside this little khacha over here goes a remote. Where's the remote? Panicked for a second, sorry guys. Is this remote with which I can operate the camera from like far away also, which is fantastic and much needed, and it's really light. I love new gadgets, guys. Sometimes I feel like these new gadgets get me more excited than like a new handbag or something like that, because like it's work related. And then we have my new camera, which Ramnik Bhai has very sweetly put inside a theli, like a paper bag, because I got it refasted from town to here. Hard copy of my bill, which I already have on email. An extra battery, which is for my camera. I always buy an extra battery for my camera. If you ever buy a camera for work, make sure you buy an extra battery. You will not regret it. And my new camera. It's the Canon M50 Mark II. Let's open this up. Let's open. Do you know what song that is? Do you know which Ari song that was? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright. Okay, we've got that. We've got this. We've got the owner's registration detail that has the serial number and all that. There's a strap that's come with it. I'm so excited to use this, guys. I have been checking this camera out for a while and on recommendations. And then I realized that a bunch of people whose YouTube vlogs I follow also use what I think is this camera. It's so light and nice. There's a lens that will go on it, of course. This is the Canon M50 Mark II. It has this screen that opens out for me to be able to vlog with. It's gonna take me a little bit of time to get used to having a screen on the side. So in case मेरी नज़र थोड़ी ऐसी जाए while vlogging कभी-कभी, please थोड़ा सा मुझे cut me some slack कर देना. My new toy is here. Now I'm going to finish having my chai. I'm going to put this to charge. Then I'm going to have my chai, so that when I'm vlogging now, I will vlog from the cam. Have fun! Okay, BRB. New camera. Mommy got a new camera. Okay, so for khana today we have idli and sambar. Why did I point to sambar first? Idli and sambar. Ada, who is our cook, who also makes food at Mama's, since she's been in our family for like 35 years or something. She makes amazing sambar, and this sambar is Jerry approved, which is really saying something. And then there's idli and there's coconut ki chutney. Gonna sit and have lunch now. Watching Gilmore Girls as I do on so many days, and having some after lunch. Okay, so this is what the vlogging cam looks like. The flap comes out on the side, and this is the tripod that I was telling you guys about. Ek second mein iska plastic. So this is the remote, which basically pops out. Jerry, how did you pull it out earlier? Remote like this. Kaise nikala aapne, dikhao. So this basically is a remote with which I can record and click. And how did you do it? Do it again and show me. Oh my god, my nails are going to be a problem with this, huh? Okay, put it, let me try. Put your finger here. No dude, my nail. Eesh. Okay, I look like a complete mess, but I just opened up this new camera and I'm so excited to use it from now. May the 4th be with you in every way today. I am about to do something really exciting that I actually can't show you on camera right now. So you will see the upcoming footage many months later. It is so hot. It is just so hot. I'm frustrated. Literally half of me, I feel कि जितना energy है, stamina है, जितने ideas है, आधे तो धूप में मर जाते हैं. This is a top that I am wearing, which is like a workout top actually from Aerism, the Aerism range from Uniqlo. The leggings I'm wearing are actually from H&M. They're the first time I'm wearing them. I just tore the tags off, but I've tried it obviously before and they're so good, you guys. It's actually from a workout set. I'll go ahead and insert an image over here of like the upper part also. I bought the sports bra along with these leggings, and even the sports bra was super comfy. Okay, so with today's video, I want you guys to genuinely like give me feedback on video quality, on sound quality, because this is what I am going to be vlogging on for quite a while. इतने पैसे खर्च किए तो मैं वेस्ट थोड़ी जाने दूंगी. I am enjoying it also because I think it's nice and super chotu, which was my main like need. I quite like it. It's picking up on the focus and all really nicely. I'm kind of annoyed that this t-shirt has such a big neck. It's kind of weird because my bra straps are showing. If there were sports bras, I would be like okay with it. So I'm just gonna like do this so that it looks a little bit stylish. The bra I'm wearing also is really pretty. I'll go ahead and link it for you guys in the info box. I need to start getting ready. Can I just say I'm really impressed with this lower lash mascara. I received this in PR. This is literally called the lower lash mascara from PAC. This is what it looks like. Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Still learning about this camera, so please guide me. It seems really nice. It literally took me just a little, like a couple of flicks. And this is not a sponsored thing, just received it in PR, so sharing info with you. Really small brush over here. It was kind of perfect to just go over and touch the lower lashes.
Eventually.
Okay, so I just finished filming a video for you guys. I am so glad I'm in workout gear because you know sometimes when you almost get lazy and talk yourself out of doing a quick workout, now I don't have that reason because I'm literally in workout gear. Sorry, burped. I have my green tea over here. I'm gonna take my makeup off after I finish my green tea and go up to the terrace and do a 1 hour 15-minute cardio, which I know is really slow, but it's okay. I wish I had my treadmill. Like obviously I don't own a treadmill at the gym. I wish I had a treadmill in that sense, so it could have been better, funner, quicker. But I've basically been walking on the terrace. I've been doing a 5-kilometer walk every other day. That's what I'm focusing on. That's what I'm aimed at. So cheers with green tea, and I will see you in a bit. At the terrace, got my phone on my arm to record how much I'm walking, what speed I'm walking at, and I'm gonna start working out now. face is red, sweating so much. Gotta go take a shower. Okay, I took the quickest shower and changed, and the most unplanned thing is happening right now. My nanny is not feeling too well, so I need to take my mom and drop her to Atheri. She's gonna stay there with my nanny for a couple of days. So I am about to get out of the lift, go into the car and pick her up and drop her to Atheri. I dropped my mom, came back home and had the worst headache ever. So I had Paru Khala put oil all over my hair. I look like a mess right now. I literally just woke up. And the first thing that came to my mind was I forgot to close this vlog and say bye to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I love you very, very, very much. First vlog from this new camera, partially at least. I will see you in the next one.